Cause I ain't a fascinated. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, play this baseball, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, get this beat straight like money. Big dog, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Coding. So today in this video we are going to make something different. As you can see, we are going to make clock. You know that MIT app inventor speaking clock means it will tell you all time what time is going on. So let's start. Here we will put what yes, we can name it as speaking no time telling is like this. Yes. Here first we have to drag here one button, and we have to go to screen 1, here component screen 1, and align horizontal will be center 3 and align vertical will be center 2, like this. And we will go to button 1. We will name this button as what's the time, like this. And here its width we will put its percent as 60%. Okay, like this. And we can pick any color. Let's pick as magenta, and full front bold it will be font tolerant. And we will put background color as let it yellow. No, we can decide later. And now here now we have to drag here what we have to drag here. Yes, from sensor we have to drag here clock. Then after dragging clock we have to go to media and text to speech. Yes, like this. Yes, I am. Yes. Now our work has been done. Here we have to go to block, and here we have to drag. First we have to go to button 1. When button 1 to click, what button 1 dot click do. Yes. Sorry, for in first we have to initialize globe. So instead of name, we'll put here time. Initialize time 2, and we have to go to text and drag here and attach here as empty block. And we will go like this, and we will get set global time 2. mm, then call clock dot. Now we have to go to clock option, and we have to call clock dot now. Here it is. Call clock dot now. And now we have to drag here text, we have to go to text to speech, call text to speech dot message like this, and uh, we have to drag here, then join, and it we have to put 5 strings, 3, 4, and 5. I count 3 because 1, 2 are already there, and 3, 4, 5 like this. And now we have to go to, sorry, not go to control copy paste like here and drag it here. We have to write here the time is, then we have to go to clock, and then we have to search here the what we have to call clock dot hours, call clock dot instant. Yeah, here it is. Yes, here it is. To drag it here and go to here, get global time like this. Now again I have to do copy paste this like this, and o'clock, and we have to write here and also like this, and we have to go again clock, and now this time we don't have to drag here hour, we have to drag here minute. Yeah, here it is, call like this and set global time, and now here, and we have to copy paste this, and we have to drag it here like this, and we have to write here minutes. Only this we have to do in our work, and wait, I have to put to change something in my background. Here we can write what's time, what's time, uh, what's the time like this, and we have to go to images, and we can drag here telling the not what's the time. Yes, we can drag. Now we can drag this only, and save image as. Here we will save it, and we will go to Mighty App Inventor, click on screen, background image, upload file, choose file, and scroll, here it is. Okay, yes, we will click on what's time, and our work has been done here. So thanks for watching, and don't do comment how was this video helpful for you, and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe button, and also don't forget to click bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye. We will meet soon in next video. And this physical part means I will run the app in my phone and upload a new video about what's the time we running app. So don't forget to watch that video also, and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe button on that video also. Thanks for watching. Bye. We'll meet in next video.
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong. Call me on my phone, nice tea, and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hit baseball, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, get this beach shit like money. Big dog, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow. Hey, let's go. It's in the stars tonight, so feel free to find set the night light. Hey, did the city with the little funky star, light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just